All right, so we're out here in Marana doing a little bit of mini bike riding. We got the, I think that's a 2017 CRF125F. And then this is what, a 2020 Piranha 125E.
Well, technically it's a 2018 model, but it's the same shit.
It's the same shit.
And I just got it a week ago.
Nice.
So it's 2020 for us.
Yeah, so we both have only had these. This is really our first time taking these mini bikes out. We thought we'd do a quick video, kind of compare and contrast, because these are two pretty popular mini bikes. The 125s are really taken off, and then the Piranhas have always been pretty solid in the mini bike game. So we just both rode each other's mini bikes, and these two bikes could not be more different. So you go from like a semi-automatic transmission to a full manual clutch transmission. The tire size, although they don't look that much different, makes a huge difference in how the bike feels going down the trail. But if you look, they're about the same size, like height-wise. The bar height's the same. The length on the CRF is a bit longer, probably adds to its stability. But yeah, if I were gonna try to like teach somebody how to ride, like my wife, the Honda is definitely the way to go. This thing is much more like sporty, more twitchy feeling, but good bike nonetheless. So you can see we both got, you know, the 10-inch light bars. We're making them both street legal. So I've got like the little fold down mirror on mine, got the tail light, brake light assembly, and he's kind of doing the same thing, still working on getting his set up. But yeah, we'll get some more shots of us riding these bikes around. But yeah, they're both really, really good bikes. Having a lot of fun with them.
So this is the CRF125. Just kind of doing a video of the differences between these corners here on the little bikes. Man, he's getting good at wheelies.
Still got to get that wheelie down a little bit better.
Yeah, still looks pretty cool.
Yeah, this one's got, you know, real clutch. Obviously that one doesn't. Super easy clutch to work. Pretty fun bike.
So this is one benefit of riding with an auto clutch. I'm here on my Piranha and I'm going to film Brandon on this 125. Bumpy. Oh man, that is the CRF 125. I'm gonna have a hard time with this in my Piranha because I have much smaller wheels, and these rocks, it's gonna be a bit of a challenge. Oh man.
Dude, there's a lot of trees down there.
Woo! Alrighty. Time to try it on the Piranha. All right, hazardous filming
Location.
here. We do it for the people.
Yep. There's so many trees that are overgrowing this little trail down there. It basically dumps you into a tiny little wash with like trees everywhere.
Oh man, that thing like swallowed my mini bike.
I know.
All right, this is a little hill climb on the CRF, the Honda. Dang, it's a lot steeper than it looks in this this phone here. All right, sweet.
Yeah. That's pretty fun. All right, so we just got done riding. Did a pretty good couple hours of cruising around the trails with both these mini bikes. And I gotta say, I love my Honda CRF. So I would not do anything different. Bike shifts awesome. It's super easy to ride. It's smooth. I mean, everything is super smooth on it. It's just a very, very comfortable, fun bike. Now it is a little bit, it feels big. Like when I'm hitting the trails, sometimes I forget I'm on like a little bike and I hit stuff really hard like I'm on a big bike. And so, you know, that's just kind of one of the things with it. It does feel like a bigger bike, especially bigger than the Piranha 125. You know, they have the same bar height, same seat height, but the length, you know, the Honda is just so much longer that it makes it feel a whole lot smoother.
I think
Which
a lot
could,
of it has to do with the wheel size too.
yeah, and the wheel size too is probably a big part of it. But you know, that could be something good. See, I didn't really want like a crazy hardcore mini bike. I wanted something that would be fun. My wife can drive it, you know, around camp. And it's just a good cruising bike. And I think the Honda just nailed that. Now, what do you think about your Piranha?
See, I feel that I love it, and I wouldn't trade it for anything.
Yeah.
I went from a TTR 90, so a lot smaller than this bike, a lot slower. So now going to this, having, you know, this inverted forks, the bigger spring in the back. So it's exactly what I wanted. I wanted that crazy pit bike experience, the small wheels, agile. So I couldn't be more happy with it.
Yeah, now we both ripped around on some single track. Both were a blast. Some really, really tight single track, big berms. Had a killer time. We did do a drag race with the two. The Honda is just no doubt faster, whether it's because of the transmission or how it puts the power down. I was able to leave him, by the time I hit second gear, I think I was pulling away on you.
Yeah, and the
top speed's considerably higher.
Yeah, the Honda is about 10 miles an hour faster.
Yeah, at least.
It was walking away from me pretty good. So
yeah,
that obviously I could change that with gearing and stuff with this thing. I'm not going to beat it in acceleration, but maybe get a higher top speed changing some of the sprockets. But
yeah.
But still, this is a pit bike. It's supposed to be just for fun. So.
Yeah, I mean, this is really almost like a trail bike. You know, it feels like a trail bike. Like I could go cruise that thing for 100 miles through the trails, no problem. You get on some like dirt roads, you can put it in fourth gear and just cruise, you know, low RPMs, you're not pushing it. Just really, really smooth, easy, fun bike. So yeah, I think that's going to conclude our little comparison. If you guys want to see something specific like a top speed run or some other comparisons, we've also got a buddy who has one of the brand new CRF 110s, which are fuel injected.
Yeah, it's a nice bike.
Yeah, and so we could bring him out here and do a three-way comparison or something. So let us know what you guys are interested in. you know, add some comments down below, like and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, I mentioned that I was hitting stuff a little bit hard. Well, I did blow both of these fork seals. I was hitting stuff pretty rough out there, so what do you expect? No big deal. Give me a chance to upgrade the springs, maybe go to a heavier spring. I think I'm a little bit above the weight limit on this bike.